members of the fourth estate.
Speaking while presenting its report dubbed Mashaka Shakahola, the Commission expressed concern over the sluggish process of the case. KNCHR chairperson Roseline Odede emphasized the distress caused to suspects and families due to prolonged legal proceedings.
We recommend that he conducts thorough investigation to ensure that the perpetrators are brought to justice, especially those who bear the highest responsibility. These investigations should be expeditious and concluded in a reasonable time.
The Commission further recommended the release of the bodies to their next of kin for burial, noting that the delayed resumption of the exhumation process will negatively impact DNA sampling on the decomposed bodies, which further violates cultural burial rights.
Slow pace in concluding the DNA processing continues to occasion more delay in releasing of the bodies to their families who have been waiting for the last 12 months. This is not only delayed justice, but also violates their cultural rights under Article 44 of the Constitution to bury their relatives in a culturally acceptable and dignified manner.
The Commission also wants Interior CS Kithure Kindiki to bring to account all security officers and national administration officers whose acts of omission and commission abated and aided the Shakahola massacre.
The Commission faults the then security team in Malindi for gross abdication of duty and negligence. They not only failed to be proactive in collecting and acting on intelligence to forestall the massacre, but also unjustifiably failed to act on credible and actionable reports provided by various sources.
Additionally, they appealed for state assistance in retrieving vital documents destroyed during the indoctrination and radicalization, aiming to facilitate survivors in reclaiming their identities.
The state failed to protect its citizens from harm and abuse by failing to ensure that religion is not manifested in a way that violates others' rights, including the rights to life, security, and health.
Meanwhile, in ongoing court proceedings, self-professed Pastor Paul Mackenzie and others faced charges, including murder, for allegedly inciting followers to starve to death in order to meet Jesus. Between April and October last year, a total of 429 bodies were exhumed from shallow graves, while 67 adults and 25 children were rescued according to the government records. Busara Naman, K24 TV,